Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm out spraying again. I'm in the last field, finishing off the T3 fungicide spray on the winter wheat, which is what I was doing in my last video. For those of you who haven't seen that, I'll put a link somewhere on the screen so you can go and check that out. But yeah, this is the last field to get sprayed. I got caught up with the weather yesterday, couldn't do any spraying yesterday. It was a bit too wet and windy. The day before, I had a pretty good day, but I had to stop when it got a bit too dark, as I've got no working lights on the sprayer booms, which sort of got me thinking. You know, I've been sitting here thinking maybe that's what we should be investing in, is some lights, maybe some LED lights for the sprayer booms. I don't know what you guys think. Don't really know where to start, what brands, what makes to look at. So if anybody's got any suggestions, then leave me a comment, let me know. But I think it'd be a good idea. That way I can probably do a bit more spraying at night when the wind is calmer. But yeah, once I've got this field sprayed, we are done with fungicides for the season. That'll be it, job done. We're done. Right, going in here again.
You didn't get sawdust, you got something else?
Didn't get sawdust, I got Megazorb. 2 bags of this. It's
okay. I bet it's expensive. Is it?
Well, it was £8 a bag.
Actually, to be honest, it's worth it, because I don't know how you were going to clear this up down there without that.
Yeah, this is for the pit, isn't it?
We're pretty sure we've virtually stopped it. Tiniest little bit, hardly anything.
It was coming out into that bucket, isn't it?
In the bucket, it's really working
which
well.
we're pumping out.
So now we've got sort of like a, what, half an inch, quarter of an inch of water all over the floor.
Yeah.
We've got all the shaft's gone. The shaft that was in the elevator, E1, I tapped it and the load fell down.
It was soaked up.
That's what gave me that's the idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I thought, well, if only we had a bit more chaff. We had tons of stuff, it's all gone. Anyway.
Well, I went on a hunt for some sawdust and I came back with Megazorb, so.
If you absorb it, you better shovel it into a bucket. You and Ray can get it up with a bucket and rope.
Yeah.
And
we have a nice dry floor.
Hopefully, then we get a fan down there. But should we go down and have a bit of catch up down there?
Yeah. Back down we go. How am I going to get this bag down? Let me come down without it.
Yeah.
We'll just have a quick little look first.
See what I mean?
Yeah, just want to soak up that last bit, don't we?
You see, when this bit of chaff came out, and
it's just slop, isn't
it? Gave me the idea to work. But I reckon if you've got, I mean, you could get this up first if you want, but I reckon just put it on top of here now.
Let it soak up.
Yeah. Do you want to have a look at the leak though?
The water feature?
Yeah. The water feature.
Is it only coming out where we want it to now?
Well, you have a look.
Shine a light on it.
There you go.
Oh, yep.
Started up. You can see this is coming out of the...
Yes, if we've confined it to that little pipe, we can contain it then, can't we?
This has to increase, Nick, over the bank holiday weekend.
Have you been down here all weekend?
I've been down there all weekend, actually. This is, I celebrated the Queen's Jubilee. It was the platinum.
It was. Where did you hang the Union Jack then?
Yes, yes. I was here.
But I think we're, yeah, we could be winning there, containing it at least.
I think so, mate.
Right then. I'm going to drop it down.
Okay, we'll go splash.
Are you safe?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You right?
Perfect.
That's quite good.
That was very good.
Well, if we need the second bag, I can do the same again.
I bet you haven't got a knife.
I've got a knife. In my pocket, yep.
All farmers should have a knife.
All farmers should have a knife.
Proper knife, that is.
Proper knife, yeah.
That's an old-fashioned one.
Yeah.
My father said how I'd like that.
Yeah.
The sheep's foot one, isn't it?
Sheep's foot one, yeah. Fix the hole, just rip it like that.
Oh, right.
Yeah, this is the stuff.
Oh, that's alright, yeah.
Yeah. She said it's absorbent, it's called Megazorb, so
Right, okay.
I'm assuming
It'll be interesting. I'll hold this then. What do you Megazorb?
I'll Megazorb.
That'll be fun.
Yeah. We can spread it around, can't we?
Oh gosh, yeah. Megazorb.
You're Megazorbing.
I'm Megazorbing. That's right, isn't it? I think we might get 2 bags there, I think.
Do you want the other bag?
Well, we should see how this performs, but it's working, isn't it? I can tell it's working.
Ooh, what was that?
And you'll be shoveling rather than scooping down, won't you?
Tell me when.
I was really playing with it.
Yeah. If we can at least keep the dryer pit dry,
Yeah.
for this season at least, we'll be winning.
Get between them, around these in pots.
Yeah, I'll do my best.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
I'll just give this a little stir up before we put the next lot on.
Yeah, alright. You can't mix grain with water. That's not good.
Not good.
It's around the back too, can't we? Some down there.
I think it's empty.
Oh, yeah, you drop that.
Oh no. I'll go around there if you like with my torch.
Yeah.
I'll do that with a kick around. Oh, actually, the shovel on me.
Well, hopefully, I can absorb it up.
Good stuff in it now, it is.
Yeah, it's, I don't know what it's made from.
For horses, isn't it?
It's for horse bedding, yeah.
I presume.
Well, with a name like Megazorb, you expect it to be good.
Let it soak up for a day or 2.
Yeah, let it soak up. Yeah.
And then you get it out and put the fan down here to blow it all dry.
Yeah, we'll shovel it out, put the fan down there, and hopefully then we can keep it dry down there.
Yeah.
So Ray's fixing something. Fixing a gate.
Yeah, fix the gate. One of them.
One of them.
First one now. That's the way around now.
Thick stuff, Ray, isn't it?
What I know.
Yeah.
Electric car or whatever.
Yeah, it's tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, they're well-made gates, aren't they? Yeah. So I'm putting a bit of pressure on as well, but...
Yeah. That's how I was doing it before, like, then eventually it just twisted round.
So you've broken one bit already then?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised, to be honest. Let it cool down, have some lunch. Yeah. Can't be far off, right?
No, it can't be. If you look at the depth of that one.
Yeah. Not a million miles off, are you?
It's thicker than you think, isn't it?
It is, yeah. No. Let's declare lunchtime.
Sounds good.
It does, doesn't it? Have you had your lunch, Ray?
Have my lunch.
Good.
Have my lunch. Ready for
Part
action.
2. Ready for action? Good.
Wrought iron.
Wrought iron.
Fairly short iron. It does say it is very hard. It's no longer made.
Are you Googling it?
Yeah. It's used by blacksmiths. It's easy to weld, using blacksmith's forge. It is difficult to drill, apparently.
You don't need Google to tell us that.
Very low carbon content, in contrast to of cast. It is semi-fused mass of iron with fibrous slag inclusions. Before the development of effective methods of steel making and availability of large quantities of steel, wrought iron was the most common form of material iron. Oh, of malleable iron, sorry.
It's like being back at school, Ray, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard to drill.
It's hard to drill, yeah. That's what, basically, yeah.
Oh, you were right down. You were nearly
Look at that one.
Yeah.
Right. I don't want to damage.
There. You're almost there, aren't you?
I don't want to damage the drill, but I'll put a fair bit of weight behind it.
That's what I'm last on.
Yeah.
You can feel it, couldn't you?
Yeah.
It ended up on the bench because I couldn't stop it.
No, I can see that, right? Yeah.
Do you remember the drills you had at school? Yeah, well, I know one. Try doing it one of those.
That's a wooden
I think I've got one next door.
Have you? Try that, Ray, yeah. Finally.
Can you imagine making a bridge 250 years ago that they used to?
Yeah.
Millions of rivets, millions of bolt holes, and how the hell do they do it?
No idea. I'm going to have to ask, is that hole definitely in the right place, right?
Well, hopefully.
I think I'll be just down a bit.
Yeah, we'll get the drill back out then. You've done well with that, Dad.
Well, it's not bad, is it? It's,
No.
it's okay. It's difficult actually on an end. But it was brick before.
Yeah,
It's
does look
sort of
good.
getting it all to join in and sort of tie in a bit. It's not bad. It's okay. It looked like amateur done, but
Farmer made.
farmer mate. That's what I meant. Yeah, farmer
No,
repair.
to be fair, you should be pleased with that. It's good.
Don't think it'll fall down.
It won't fall down.
Yeah, I think that's sound.
Oh, so that one must be like That then, is that what you're saying?
Not like that, yeah.
Tipping upwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your sheep will get through, won't they?
Yeah, what, that gap? Yeah. Yeah, they will get through there, Dad, yeah. Yeah, you probably need to extend it, yeah.
Actually, the gap's smaller down, right? But we can wind the hinges in a bit, there, can't we?
Yeah.
We're sort of hoping for 10 inches, 9-10 inches, so we can extend it equal amount to be about roughly...
The same as the different...
Yeah, roughly.
Makes sense.
That might be difficult.
Still looks lower, doesn't it?
Still looks lower, Ray. Yeah. Yeah. Mind you, I think we've got to tip that one up.
Right.
Yeah, I'd say we can put a spirit level on. Probably facing downwards, Ray. Up. Might be wrong.
So yeah, Dad's been sorting a few things out in the garden. There's always something to keep busy with here. Now I've just got to go and find a place to put all this hardcore that's in the bucket